Thank you, ma'am. Good morning, all. Jai Jagannath, Namaskar. When I entered here, I have been already mentioned by Madam Paramjit Kirkaut to become very brief. Yes, AI makes us brief and briefer and more efficient. So that's the theme. His Excellency, Mr. Andrew Fleming, welcome to Odisha, the land of Jagannath, the driver of the growth of Eastern India. And besides him sitting is Mr. Hemant Sharma, who is in the front line of our industry development, or inclusive development, a guide, a mentor, a lighthouse for us, all of us. And we have seen his contributions across the years, that where we are and where we are going. Certainly we can proudly tell that under his leadership, Odisha has emerged in the global scenario as a futuristic state with the futuristic people. I will just quote him here, that in one forum he told me, Mr. Hota, what is the biggest city of Odisha? I told him it is Bhubaneswar, followed by Rourkela and Cuttack. He told, you are wrong. The biggest city of Odisha is in Bangalore. More than 16 lakh professionals, mostly IT professionals are there. So from this you can imagine that where we are and where AI is taking us, can take us, the potential. Mr. Prabodh Mahanti, Sri Sasisekhar Mahanti, and Madam Kaur. Mr. Prabodh Mahanti and Sasisekhar Mahanti are my everyday guide. So I will not take much time here because I can see the senior industry fraternity, Mr. Sanjay Patnaik, and all those familiar faces are here. Let me tell you, AI is a reality. Unlike those days when I was a bank officer in NABARD and other things, we were getting computerization allowance because it is a compensation. So there were resistance to computerization, and now we know that where we are, our life without the digital technology perhaps is en mode, is static. Similarly, AI is an emerging reality that cannot be denied anymore. Let's accept this. It is reshaping the destiny of our next generation, and it is every day impacting our quality of life towards a positive direction. I take it as a positive direction because it gives a lot of space to the human creativity. Let us not divest our energy in machineries, in the daily operations, in output management. Those things let it be done by the AI. Let us concentrate to take the civilization to the next level, to sustain our planet. I think the human creativity, human is the guardian of the welfare of our Mother Earth. And I think the time has come that we should hand over to AI to regulate our daily functions, and we should concentrate on sustainability. I believe that if an industry wants to increase its output, increase its revenue for 1 year, it can invest in publicity, it can invest in marketing. It wants to increase its growth by 10 times, it can invest in technology. But if the industry wants to sustain, if industry wants to really grow 100 times and sustain here across generation, it has to invest in people and the planet. And I believe that is the theme of this session, that how AI is going to be a tool for all of us. It cannot be a bhasmasur for all of us. It will be a tool for all of us so that we think of Mother Earth. We think of the future. So now the time has come that what are the things which AI will help us, so that I have to see what I am doing. I think the next session, which we will be discussing on this, that will be really unfolding so many things. But before Mr. Hemant Sharma sir and Dr. Fleming sir, I have to tell me now AI helps me to look into myself, whether I am saving energy, whether I am reducing the carbon footprints, whether I am optimizing my supply chain and my entire supply chain is leading towards a green economy. whether I am streamlining the logistics and my inventory management, that is AI is going to help me. Am I able to reduce my waste optimally? And am I able to contribute the circular economy effectively? What are the best practices I'm adopting? And AI is going to tell me what are the better than the best. And so far I have been doing my data analysis in Excel sheets, and it was one step ahead. Now AI is going to give me data insight. I was every time thinking of the maintenance and the efficiency of the machineries. Now I am looking for the predictive solutions and adverse solutions and predictive maintenance. Now another investment challenge is coming, that we have to upskill our manpower. We have to take our manpower. I do not believe that this is going to give us job displacement. I am going to induct the new skills in my manpower so that they become really productive and take forward the AI as an applicatory move to upgrade sustainability. And whether my governance is really robust. Always sir talks about, Hemant Sharma sir, whenever I have heard, he talks about that IT is an infrastructure, logistics, and he also talks about governance. Perhaps Odisha is here in the industrial map of India and in the globe because of a robust governance. So whether my governance is still robust or I have to still take it further, AI is going to help me. How I am minimizing my risk. Minimizing my risks in terms of economic efficiency, in terms of reduction of the management cost, reduction of the inventory days, that has to be reduced. And these days, we are now into, earlier, I think last year, all the industries we have done materiality analysis. This year, sir, all the industries are into dual materiality analysis. What is dual materiality analysis, you know. What is inside is impacting the outside. That means what is inside the factory, especially Odisha, is blessed with the mining industries, blessed with the metal industries, which has huge impact from inside to outside. And another thing, the dual is that, what is the financial implication of it? What will be impacted, the outside world, whichever our vicinity, our villages, our people, our community, our planet, what will be the financial impact of this on us? So both inside and outside, this dual materiality analysis, AI is going to help us in a big way. Then, what is that AI is going to do if we are not getting into R&D and innovations? AI is going to really help us to take us to RI and to innovation and R&D. Yes, there will be potential displacement in job. Yes, the IT sector has started feeling it. The young generation has started feeling it. Job replacement has started. But I am always telling them, I am always inspiring my children. Children means I am not telling my own children, but the children, the future generation whom I am here to hand over. Because we have borrowed this earth from them, we have not inherited this from our forefather. I always tell that, look, this is an opportunity to upgrade your knowledge. It is not a displacement, it is rather for upskilling. It is rather how do you take it forward. And sir, before the government, it's a big challenge, the rural and urban divide in terms of the digital technology. The time has come that rural area need not be confined to operation of Android phone. AI is again creeping in, and creeping in is in a big way. It is coming silently. It is coming silently, and it is going to overpower us if we do not use it properly. That is really going to be a tool in us. So, challenge is that we have to invest in our people. I have told right from the beginning, if a company is going to sustain, if a company is going to operate for 100 years and going to change the quality of life of the people and sustain this planet, it has to invest in the planet and the people. AI is a big opportunity for all of us. It's a big opportunity for all of us to invest in people for this change management. Our people inside the factory, inside us, inside the corporate, and outside us. So government has a big role to play. And sir, I request you, since you are the principal secretary of MSME also, MSME is going to feel the heat also when artificial intelligence is going to take over everything. I think government has to come in a big way to handhold them so that they adapt to this technology. What is required is collaboration, 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 and collaboration. It is 1 + 1 makes 2, but in collaboration it makes 22. So that is we will make it 33, industry, academia, and the government. So sir, I expect all of you, all of my fraternity, my industry fraternity, we expect government will be a big stakeholder in this change management. So this 1 + 1 and 1, industry, academia, and the government will make it 33, not 3 alone. So then next, our session is there. We'll discuss in details. But let me tell you that again, we'll go to Bhagavad Gita, 7th chapter, which amply says that Bhumi Apa Anala Khang Bayu. You have got this Panchbhut, Arjun. You are having this Panchbhut, not more than that. Bhumi Apa means water, then Agni, you know all those Panchbhut. But then I have given you Mati, Buddhi, and Ahang. So this Ati Buddhi, Mati Buddhi, Ati Buddhi, Ati Ahang, this should not be a opportunity for the AI to really disorient us. Rather, we should use our Mati, Buddhi, and Ahang so that is in our control and we sustain our planet. This planet is our only opportunity to live and our children to live and grow here. Thank you, sir. Thank you.